Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and we have the first song drop from Thalapathy Vijay's next film, GOAT, Greatest of All Time. This song is called Whistle Pod. We have the lyrical video, and the last time Whistle Pod was released, it was the anthem for Chennai Super Kings. So that was fun. I remember that was like years back. Huh, guys, years back. So this is almost a 5-minute video. So it's quite a long duration song, huh? Let me just see who are the artists. Wait. So obviously composer I know is Yuvan Shankar Raja. Oh, the singers. Okay, Vijay himself has sung it along with Yuvan Shankar. So great. I don't want to delay this any further. I am sure it's going to be like the song name is Whistle Pod. So I'm guessing it's a very dancey kind of number. And maybe, of course, it's a lyrical video, but maybe we'll get to see certain, like a little bit of glimpse of the hook step or something like that. So yeah, let us begin. I'm ready to groove.
Hey party one todangatuma adiradi kalapatuma campaign ada torakatuma mic kayil edukatuma. Hey oru nimisham na sonna champagne da thorakattumaanu sonna.
I wish there were translations.
En kadhal campaign ni kettude dey mabul appdi danda kekkum correct kettu. Start music. Hey party one todangatuma adiradi kalapatuma champagne da thorakatuma mic kayil edukatuma hidi hidicha ya voice da ready cha ya voice da kudi makada nam tuteni party vittu da promotani sattam pattadu whistle pode kuttam paakama whistle pode rattam pattattum whistle pode enambi enamba whistle pode GOAT whistle pode automatic whistle pode dragon vetai whistle pode enambi enamba whistle adi ennode.
Thalapathy vocal. We don't have any other promotional material for this, right? Raji Sundaram. Okay. Not Prabhudeva. Prabhudeva is acting or this.
karanatha yamaranda matta kanil sandoshatha pakathane kantoranda ediri heart ni still pannikko omela yenkova feel pannikko unakku neeye call pannikko o life appo deal pannikko andha vaanam theyadu indha bhoomi maayadu last sottu ulla vara namma party moyadu.
Director. Probably.
தண்ணி இல்ல ஊருக்குள்ள குயிலங்க பாட்டெல்லாம் கேட்பதில்ல கண்ணா கட்டும் கண்ணீர் இல்ல மயிலுங்க ஆட்டத்தை பார்ப்பதில்ல மைக்கேல் ஜாக்சன் மூன் வாக்கு மார்லன் பிராண்டோ நான் டான் வாக்கு
Now I want to know what it means.
வாக்கு
This was sound yet. Huh? Why? Yummy! I wanna go back and watch that again. Just that part. I'm less looking, little looking at the footwork. It's like ta 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 ta. That's on beat. See? I don't want to compare, but just looking at the setup and the colors, just a little bit reminded me of Na Reddy. Not much, but just a little bit. Like because that was also a song where there were a lot of dancers. Obviously, this is nothing compared to the production of that. But in terms of the color grading and the setup, it kind of looked a little bit similar. It reminded me of Na Reddy. But anyway, let's stop this. Okay, in all honesty, I would say this is not the best Thalapathy Vijay featuring song because I'm only comparing it with the new ones. But it's good enough. It's good enough. But I wouldn't say no. This has not surpassed. This has not surpassed Na Reddy for me. Let's just take Leo. For example, because that was the latest one. This has not surpassed Na Reddy for me. This is decent, but it's not good. It's not the GOAT song because see, my expectation from a dance number, not really a dance number, but yeah, a song where I know it's like I will get really good beats. I will get Thalapathy Vijay dancing, and it's just going to be a fun, entertaining song. So it has all of that element, but not at the level that I was expecting the song to kind of deliver. And that's just my opinion, guys, because I feel that I have vibed to say Na Reddy, for example. Then you take Arabic Kuttu, Vati Coming. Like these are, I'm just picking up the latest films and the songs where, you know, we have just vibed. It's not of that level, and I'm just completely giving you my honest opinion here. But I enjoyed it because I was vibing to it. It's a song where when you listen to it, you're just gonna vibe and dance. And you guys let me know if you felt the same or not. And this is coming from someone who really enjoys seeing songs which features Thalapathy Vijay and his dancing style. So for me, you can imagine where my expectations were set. And when you have a film which just says greatest of all time and a song which just says whistle podu, there was no whistling. Now this is another gripe I have with the song, that there was no whistling. They should have incorporated that effect. Maybe it's there in the actual film, but let's see. I don't know. That's just something which is up for speculation. Other than that, choreography wise, I really enjoyed that because there were moments where the beat is going ta 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 ta, and the foot tapping is exactly matching that beat. And this is what I expect. So in that department, I'm completely satisfied. And just to see Prabhudeva and Vijay together, like that's like a dream come true for anybody who loves to see dance numbers. So just seeing, because we know Vijay is such a great dancer and Prabhudeva is Prabhudeva. So seeing them together in the same frame just is epic. And I expected nothing but amazing dance steps and amazing coordination and synchronization. So in that department, in the choreography department, I am thoroughly satisfied. So yes, I would say that I enjoyed the song, but I set the expectation too high, where I felt that this was a tad bit underwhelming than the previous Vijay dance numbers that I have listened to. Or maybe it's just me. If you have felt a similar feeling, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, obviously, you can share your thoughts. This could be like the best song that you have heard. I mean, music loving, as I always keep saying and repeating, is very, very subjective. But my till date, I would say, just for the in the recent releases, I would say my favorite ones, where Vijay is just dancing and having a great time, and we're just enjoying as a viewer watching him dance, would definitely be still. I don't think anything has come close to Vati coming for me. That was just on another level. I feel just the energy, the vibe, the atmosphere that the song created. I think that nothing has surpassed that yet for me. So yeah, anyway, that was the reaction to Whistle Podu lyrical video. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.